how to reduce print time in Creality Slicer. Now, this is going to be extremely simple, but there's multiple ways to do this. Now, in my case, I'm going to simply slice this object right here. And for our print time, it's going to take us 47 minutes and 38 seconds. So when reducing your print time, the first thing that you want to do is to edit out the layer height. So instead of using 0.2, you can maybe use something like 0.1 right here. And same thing with the first layer height. So with that simple change, let's go ahead and see the changes. Basically from 40 minutes, it will now take us 1 hour and 32 minutes. So let's go ahead and make a few more adjustments because obviously this took a little bit longer. So let's choose something like 0.02. Click on adjust. And in my case, it will only allow me at 0.08. Let's click on this slice plate option once more. And then we are at currently 1 hour and 55 minutes. So obviously you could adjust this accordingly, but right after you want to click on your object. And then from here, we have to enable the variable layer height. Now it's going to be this simple or this choice right here. Click on the quality and speed. We have to click apply. Same thing with smooth. And then on the strength option, which is going to be this one, you want to go ahead and reduce your wall loops, maybe from 2 to 1. And same thing with the infill pattern or density. Instead of using something like 15%, and same thing with this one, we can then reduce it into something like 8%. And then you can also try changing some infill pattern. So instead of using something like complex like this one, you want to use something like very simple, like maybe this grid infill pattern right here. So if we click on the slice plate option once more, basically from 40 minutes or 1 hour, it will now print at 33 minutes. And so you could just make this few adjustments and you're simply good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.